All right, I think I just did problem number 4. I'll go to number 5 now. So I'll put number 5 down. What's number 5? It's 6x squared plus 5x plus 1. And again, let me repeat this. If I were looking at the problem, I said to myself, the numbers are really small. Let me just give it a try, see if it works out. And by that, what I mean by it, I'm going to try to use simple numbers like 3x and 2x to get 6x squared. And the guy in the end, 1, there's really no choice. They're simple numbers. It's got to be 1 and 1. And it's everything positive. Let's just try this, see what happens. What do you get? You get 6x squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 1. Do you get what you expect to get, which is 6x squared plus 5x plus 1? Of course you do. You get that right over here from that multiplication. Let me use the AC rule, though. Let me write this a little differently by using the AC rule. And some people do this in their head, by the way. They do 6 times 1, which is 6. And then they wonder, what the two numbers would be. Let me write this down, though. A is 6, the B is 5, and the C is 1. So A times C, 6 times 1 is 6. I need to find two numbers that multiply to 6, but I need to find those the same two numbers have to add up to 5. Was that going to be 2 and 3? And again, a lot of people do that in their head, and there's nothing wrong with doing it in your head. Let's write it down then. 6x squared. By the way, whether you put the 2 first or the 3 first does not matter. Let me write this over here. 2x plus 3x plus 1. What do you get here? Factor by grouping. 2x comes out. We're left off with 3x plus 1. On the second two terms, I'm going to factor a 1 out, and you get 3x plus 1. What do you get there? A common factor, 3x plus 1, and we're left off with 2x plus 1. All right, do we get the same answer? Of course we get the same answer. Let's say you chose 6x squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 1. You're still going to get the same answer. Factor out 3x. What do you get there? 2x plus 1. Factor a 1 out from the second group, which is going to be 1 times 2x plus 1. I'm going to factor out 2x plus 1 now. It's a common factor. We're left off with 3x plus 1. Are we getting the same answer? Every single time. The order of the factors, though, is a little bit different, though. One says 2x plus 1 times 3x plus 1. The other one says 3x plus 1 times 2x plus 1. They're commutative, though. The factors are commutative. Thank you.